Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to English learning for 3rd grade senior high school with me, Mrs. Wila. Before we start our lesson today, please prepare yourself to study with me. Okay, our lesson today is narrative text. Do you know about narrative text? Okay, a narrative text is a type of text that tells a story or recount a sequence of events. It is designed to entertain or inform the reader by presenting a series of events in a coherent and engaging way. Oke. Jadi, teks naratif adalah jenis teks yang menceritakan sebuah kisah atau menceritakan kembali serangkaian kejadian. Teks ini dirancang untuk menghibur atau memberi informasi kepada pembaca dengan menyajikan serangkaian kejadian secara menarik. Okay, because we are studying about narrative text, we have to know structure of narrative text. Okay, structure of narrative text. First is orientation. What is orientation? Orientation is introduction of character and setting. Nah, apa itu orientasi? Jadi, orientasi ini adalah bagian awal cerita yang memperkenalkan pembaca kepada karakter dan latar atau setting di situasi awal cerita. Second is complication. The main problem by the characters. Jadi maksudnya adalah masalah utama yang dihadapi oleh karakter dalam sebuah teks naratif. Third is evaluation. What is evaluation? The suspense of the events which makes the reader want to find out what will happen. Nah, jadi di dalam evaluation ini menambah ketegangan atau rasa penasaran dalam cerita, sehingga pembaca ingin terus membaca untuk mengetahui apa yang akan terjadi selanjutnya. Four is resolution. What is resolution? Resolution is this is where the problem solved. Nah, di bagian resolution ini adalah bagian cerita di mana masalah utama yang dihadapi karakter sudah terselesaikan. Semua konflik atau ketegangan yang dibangun sebelumnya akhirnya mencapai kesimpulan, dan pembaca melihat bagaimana masalahnya terpecahkan. Fifth is coda. Coda is runs of the story with a short comment on what happens. Jadi di dalam coda ini adalah penutup cerita yang biasanya berupa komentar singkat tentang apa yang terjadi setelah masalah selesai. Ini memberi kesimpulan atau pelajaran, atau sekedar menjelaskan bagaimana situasi para karakter setelah cerita berakhir. Okay, enough in structure of narrative text. Next. Okay, you can see my video or my text. Because this text is too long for me to read, please read it by yourself, and later we can analyze together structure of narrative text from this text. Okay? Okay. The blue highlight is orientation. Why this part become orientation? Because like we learned in the past about the definition of orientation, the orientation is the mind, character, and the setting. So after reading earlier, we know who is the mind character and where it happened. And as we know, the main character is Nail, and the setting in the village of Gunung Madi in Sintang, district of West Kalimantan. Okay, next. Complication. money. Okay. Evaluation. This part become evaluation because when reading this part, the reader wonder what Nayo and his friend do for the next step. We are wondering, can Nayo and his friend make work a success, right? That's why this section is called evaluation. The next is resolution. If in the complication have the mind problem, in the resolution, the mind problem has been solved because Nayo and his friend find the way out from the problem in the text. And the last is coda. Coda is ending of the story. And at the end of the story, Nayo and his friend success in building a hydroelectric power plant for their village. Okay, the story is happy ending. Thank you. Okay, this is exercise for you guys. Please do it carefully. Later on, I will check it one by one. Okay? I think enough. If I have wrong, I hope to you all pardon me. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.